Good morning, children. We discussed about the second lesson, water. Water is a very important source in our day-to-day life. Here, activity 2, you see this activity and do your home. Uh, Conduct the activity with the common salt and soap powder, charcoal powder and copper sulfate. Fill in the following table. Substance dissolve in water, does not dissolve in water. Common salt, sand, chalk powder, charcoal powder, copper sulfate. These are the things are dissolved in water or does not dissolve in water. Okay. You do this activity in your home and write it the box. Okay. Next, composition of water. Water is transparent, tasteless, odorless and nearly colorless chemical substance. Okay, water is a transparent, tasteless, odorless and colorless. Water is not have a color. It is a colorless liquid. Okay. It is composed of two atoms of hydrogen combined with one atom of oxygen. The molecular formula of water is H2O. H2O. Okay. The listen. Hydrogen 2 plus oxygen. Hydrogen plus oxygen to gives hydrogen oxide. This is water molecular formula H2O. H2O. Okay. Here have H2O diagram. No, see this diagram. Okay. However, the physical composition of water changes from place to place. It can be clear or cloudy, oxygenated or not very oxygenated, and it can be fresh or salty. Okay. The amount of salt in water is termed as salinity. Okay. How many amount of present in water, that is called salinity. Based on its salinity, water is classified into three main categories such as fresh water, brackish water and sea water. Fresh water contains 0.05% to 1% of salt. Then brackish water contains 3% of salt and sea water contains more than 3% of salt. Okay, ocean water is composed of many substances. The salts includes sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. These are the salts are present in the saline water. Okay, then next one, water freezes 0 degree Celsius and normal pressure. Every year March 22nd is observed as a World Water Day. You mind it? Every year March 22nd is observed a World Water Day. Okay. Activity 3, water contains dissolved salts. Take some tap water in a china dish and heat it. Continue heating till the water gets dried up. Stop the heating and look at china dish. What do you observe inside the china dish? Deposit some salt particles on the china dish. Okay, can be observed. The deposit of salts that are dissolved in water. Okay, this shows that water has dissolved salts in it. Okay, the water have salt. Okay, the water dissolved in salt. Do not use distilled water or water from purifier or reverse osmosis. Unit and like for this activity. Do not use distilled water. Okay, distilled water means the calcium and sodium, potassium, these are the salts is not dissolved in purifier water. These salts are used to your body strengthen. Okay, so don't drink distilled water. Okay. Okay, next one. You see this cycle, water cycle. This is a water cycle. First one, ocean evaporation. Ocean evaporation. ocean precipitation, then ocean to land water transport, and atmosphere, land precipitation, then evaporation transformation, percolation. Okay, so surface water, the surface is water, there have pond, lake, river, oceans. These waters are called surface waters. These water are evaporated and sent back to the atmosphere. Then the water are sent back to vapor state. That vapor cooled and clouds are formed. Then the clouds are heated, the atmospheric heat. Then the clouds are form a rain water. The rain water comes from the surface. This is a circle. This cycle is called water cycle. This cycle is called water cycle. Evaporation, precipitation, these two chemical process are successfully obtained on this water cycle process. Okay, water cycle process is a reversible process. Process. So this is a physical change, not a chemical change. It is a physical change. Okay, now today homework. You draw this diagram, water cycle diagram, and color it and send it to your class teacher. Okay, you see this diagram, you draw one mountain and one factories, one car, and another one mountains and vegetations, soil moisture, surface flow. These are the things you draw, and you draw this like also, this sun and these arrow marks, and these are the things you draw and send it to your class teacher. This is a water cycle picture. Okay, water cycle picture. Okay, thank you children, thank you. See this picture and draw and send it to your class teacher.